Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to convert YouTube video to MP3. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your YouTube and log in into your account. Then click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then you should head to YouTube Studio. After that, it will jump you directly to the dashboard. You should now click on Content. Once you click on Content, you should now pick any video that you want to download. Click on these three dots, then click on Download right here. Now, once the video is downloaded, you should now go and open VLC Media Player. So I'm going to open it right now like this. Then go to Media on the top left corner right here. Then click on Convert/Save. And what you should do right now is to simply click on Add. Then go to the location that you saved the video that you have downloaded. So I'll choose this video here, for example, then click on Open. And what you should do right now is to simply click on Convert and Save right here. Then here it will show you this page. Here is the source of the video, and here you should choose MP3. So I will go down till I find here this option, Audio MP3. And once you click on it, you should now browse in order to choose where do you want to save the video. So here in my case, I will save it in the same folder just in order to show you the difference. So I'm going to click on Save right here, then click on Start. And after that, you should click on Keep Existing File just because they have the same name. And after it finishes the process of converting the video into MP3, nothing will be shown or nothing will be displayed on your screen. So you will not get notified about if you have finished the processing or not. So what you should do is to simply go back to the folder. And here, as you can see, I have the MP3 right here. This is the same video. This is the video and this is the MP3. When you click on the video, it's just in Arabic, so you may not be able to understand everything, but this is the video. There is a sound in the beginning. And now when I go to the MP3, here you have it, the MP3 version. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.